Vacancies in Air India, mostly in Air India, female and male both can easily apply for the post of cabin crew. But nowadays, they are only hiring for females. It means girls only can apply for the post of cabin crew. So the height criteria would be like for female, like 155 centimeter, and they are also asking for 60% in your 12th standard. It means if you have 60%, then only you can appear for the interview, right? And if you were unable to find the vacancies, or mention the link below in the description box, just go check and apply from there.